Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking 1-3 target keywords per page that match user intent. This grounds every decision. Once chosen, make sure the site uses HTTPS, has a sitemap and robots, TXT, and is mobile first so crawlers and users can access content reliably. Next, connect Google Search Console and Analytics so you can track impressions, clicks, and errors. These steps are simultaneous. Keyword focus plus technical access gives you the data and structure to optimize effectively from the first change you make. You now create content that satisfies intent. Write 601, 200 words organized with H1/H2 and answer the core query early. Make sure the title, meta description, and URL slug include the target keyword naturally. Add one descriptive alt text for the main image. Once done, build internal links from related pages and add structured data for rich results if applicable. Compress and serve images as WebP and implement lazy loading so pages load quickly and users stay engaged. Speed equals better rankings. You finish by monitoring performance. Check rankings, CTR, and Core Web Vitals weekly and update pages based on data. If you see 4XX or 5XX errors, fix them immediately, set canonical tags for duplicates, and resubmit the sitemap to prompt reindexing. If traffic unexpectedly drops, compare recent edits and plugins, then run a full site audit to pinpoint issues. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing shows in Search Console, verify ownership and check robots. TXT, often that simple block stops indexing entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.